For those looking for a perfect concoction of modern aesthetics and practical features, Harmoni Cabinetry is an excellent choice. Recognized for its sophisticated design and efficiency, it's no wonder why we at Caruso Kitchen Designs often recommend Harmoni to our clients. Here are the top 10 features and benefits of choosing Harmoni Cabinetry. 1. Streamlined modern design. Harmoni stands out with its sleek, contemporary design. Straight lines and minimalist appeal contribute to a modern space that's chic and timeless. 2. Diverse material selection. Whether you prefer the warmth of wood veneers or the cool touch of laminates, Harmoni Cabinetry offers a diverse range of materials. You can choose from a rich palette of textures and finishes to match your individual taste and home decor. 3. European craftsmanship. Blending advanced technology with fine European craftsmanship, Harmoni Cabinetry is constructed with precision and great attention to detail. This combination ensures that every cabinet is a work of art. 4. Eco-friendly options. For eco-conscious homeowners, Harmoni offers environmentally sustainable options. These include cabinets made from recyclable materials and responsible sourcing. 5. Efficient storage solutions. Maximizing storage space while maintaining an uncluttered aesthetic is at the core of Harmoni Cabinetry. Innovative storage solutions such as pull-out drawers and clever organizers enhance functionality without compromising on style. 6. Soft close systems. The soft close technology in Harmoni Cabinetry is a game changer. It allows drawers and doors to close gently and quietly, reducing noise and preventing damage from hard slams. 7. Customizable configurations. Harmoni gives you the freedom to customize your cabinetry layouts to fit your space and lifestyle. Whether it's a unique cabinet size or specific organizational features, the flexibility is there. 8. Long-lasting durability. A commitment to quality materials and construction means Harmoni cabinets are built to last. You can rest easy knowing that they will withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining their attractive appearance. 9. Seamless integration. Whether you aim to blend your cabinets with the existing room design or make a bold statement, Harmoni ensures seamless integration. The versatility of their product line allows for cohesive looks or standout features that align with your vision. 10. Professional partnership. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, we stand by you through your renovation journey. With our partnership with Harmoni, you're not just getting premium cabinetry, you're gaining access to a dedicated team of design professionals committed to bringing your vision to life. With a commitment to quality, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, Harmoni offers solutions that cater to a variety of tastes and needs. Schedule your free consultation today to explore design options or visit our showrooms. We are located in Lakewood and Louisville, Colorado, and serve the entire Denver metro area.